So what's all this about Wave? If you have a Gmail account and you've already gotten an invite, you can log on to wave.google.com. Here you'll be able to sign in with your Gmail account information, and it will bring you to your Google Wave inbox. On the left hand side we'll see that there's a navigation pane. This includes different things like your inbox, all waves that are followed by you, waves that you've started, different requests from people on your contact list, extensions, settings, trash, etc. We'll go through these at a later stage. Below this are your contacts. So you can search for contacts, and these are all the ones that we've added already. You can also manage them underneath it. In the center we have our inbox pane. Here you can create a new wave or search for waves, and you can also see waves that are in your inbox. Then on the right hand side we have our new wave panel. This is where you'll actually view your waves. So if I click on any one of these waves, it'll show up on the right hand side. So this is the one that we'll start with. It's our Welcome to Google Wave. It's written by Dr. Wave, who is one of the developers of Google Wave. Here it'll show you a few different tips and tricks on how to get started, different things about wave extensions, and how to troubleshoot if you have problems. If you want to see this in a larger view, you can minimize your inbox and it reduces it up to the top. It also makes this wave larger. To restore it, you can click the restore button and it'll go back to the way that it was. If however you want to change just the size of your inbox, you can also drag them like that to make them smaller or larger, whichever suits. We'll go through some more settings in the next video. Okay, so because Google Wave is in preview, your friends mightn't have Google Wave yet. That's why Google has added invites to others of Google Wave. You can input their email addresses here and it will send them out an invitation to Google Wave. Alternatively, if you want to look for public waves, these are waves that some person has added everybody to. You can search for them up here in the search box. The search command is with :public and whatever term that you want to look for. So in my thing it's education. It'll now look for all waves that contain education and are public. Here you can see there are new messages in them. So this has 59 new messages, and the last message was made at 2:47. This one here has had 8 messages, and the last one was made at 2:47 as well. Any of these you can click and they will come up here on the right hand side. This will allow you to find waves that are of your interests. So you can look up technology or anything. Alternatively, you can go to your inbox, and if you have a lot of things in your inbox, you can search for them. So here I'm going to search for invites, and it should show me my Google Wave invite wave. Okay, so now you know the basic layout of your inbox. So we're going to start a new wave. So if you click the new wave button over in your reading pane, a new wave opens. So we're going to type in a title, and it automatically makes it bold because it knows that the first line is going to be a title usually. So then we'll type a paragraph, and from there we can type a few more lines. Once you're finished writing your paragraph, you can click done, and now it wants you to add a participant to this wave. So once you've added all your participants, you can X this. Now what will happen is any participant that you've added to this wave, it will appear in their inbox over here. They can view the wave, they can edit the wave, or they can reply to it. The difference between these is edit is that it'll edit this paragraph that you're after typing. If you go reply, it'll reply to a certain part of the paragraph. If you want to, you can also use different things to make it a bit more collaborative. So let's say if you want to add a yes, no, maybe widget. So what you can do is you can ask a question, and then people can reply either yes, no, or maybe. You can also choose to delete any of these.